Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about using Gemini with a VPN. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why you might want to use Gemini with a VPN. There are a few reasons. Privacy. Gemini is a powerful AI model that can collect a lot of information about you. If you're concerned about your privacy, using a VPN can help to keep your data safe. Security. VPNs can help to protect you from online threats, such as hackers and malware. Geo-restrictions. Some content on Gemini is only available in certain countries. Using a VPN can help you to bypass these restrictions. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the details of how to use Gemini with a VPN. How to use Gemini with a VPN. Choose a VPN provider. There are a lot of different VPN providers out there, so it's important to do your research and choose one that meets your needs. Sign up for a VPN subscription. Once you've chosen a provider, you'll need to sign up for a subscription. Download and install the VPN software. Most VPN providers offer software that you can download and install on your computer or mobile one device. 1. Altoroid.com. Altoroid.com. Connect to a VPN server. Once you've installed the VPN software, you'll need to connect to a VPN server. This will encrypt your traffic and route it through the VPN server. Open Gemini. Once you're connected to a VPN server, you can open Gemini. That's it. You can now use Gemini with a VPN. Tips for using Gemini with a VPN. Choose a VPN provider that has servers in the country where you want to access Gemini. This will help to ensure that your connection is fast and reliable. Make sure that your VPN provider supports OpenVPN or WireGuard protocols. These are two of the most secure VPN protocols. Use a strong password for your VPN account. This will help to protect your account from hackers. Disconnect from the VPN when you're not using it. This will help to save battery life and improve your internet speed. FAQs. Can I use Gemini with a free VPN? I don't recommend using a free VPN with Gemini. Free VPNs are often slower and less secure than paid VPNs. Is it legal to use a VPN with Gemini? Yes, it is legal to use a VPN with Gemini. However, it's important to check the laws in your country before using a VPN. Will using a VPN slow down my internet connection? Yes, using a VPN can slow down your internet connection. However, the amount of slowdown will vary depending on a number of factors, such as the VPN provider you use, the server you connect to, and your internet speed. Can I use Gemini with a VPN on my mobile device? Yes, you can use Gemini with a VPN on your mobile device. Most VPN providers offer apps for iOS and Android. Using Gemini with a VPN is a great way to protect your privacy and security online. It can also help you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content that is not available in your country. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. See you next time.